walk you through the step-by-step process for sending PayPal funds using the Friends and Family feature on both the app and the PayPal website, and show you how to use the new gift themes to make your transfer feel more personal. If you're ready, click the subscribe button. Let's get started. Before we move a single dollar, we have to talk about the golden rule. Friends and Family, or FNF, has zero buyer protection. This option is strictly for people you know and trust in real life. If a stranger on the internet asks you to pay via Friends and Family to save them fees, they're likely trying to scam you. Once that money is sent, PayPal will not help you get it back if the item never arrives. For business transactions, always use goods and services. To send a personal payment using the PayPal mobile app, open the app and locate the blue Send bubble at the bottom of your home screen and tap it. Search by name, @username, email, or phone number. Type in the value and select the correct currency, like USD, GBP, or EUR. Now the most important step, a menu will appear asking for the payment type. Select Friends and Family, sometimes labeled as personal. Check your funding source. If you use your PayPal balance or linked bank account, the transaction is usually 100% free within the same country. If you use a credit or debit card, a 2.9% fee plus a fixed fee, around 30 cents in the US, will be added. You can now add gift themes to your FNF payments. When you're on the final review screen, look for the present icon. You can select from various digital card designs like Happy Birthday, Thank You, or Holiday, and add a custom animation. This makes a simple digital transfer feel much more like a thoughtful gift. Before you hit send, double-check the email address or username one last time. Since there is no protection on these transactions, a single typo could send your money to a stranger. If you have any queries or input, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials, and check the description below for more. Thanks for watching.